The new. Okay, Teresa Magbanwa. There you go. Teresa Magbanwa. The new ship. Ayun. Nasa likod si Arjan. Good day mga ka-wedgie. Dawning. Okay, I just want to show you the new ship ng Coast Guard, Teresa Magbanwa. Okay, Philippine Coast Guard. Okay, we're coming over. We're permission to, ano ba tawag doon pag sasakay ka? Ayun, welcome, Secretary of Directo. Okay, kahit kami. Okay, we're on board. Ayun, no? We are on board the Teresa Magbanwa. This is a brand new ship by the Philippine Coast Guard. Samahan niyo ako. Sino si Teresa Magbanwa? Nung Revolution, teacher yun. Sikat na teacher yun. Di ba? Tama ba? May sabihin ka?
Moo!
Okay. So lahat sila nandun preparing for the dawning. May naman ni Moo, kakain. Kain muna tayo. Okay. This is the first of 22 brand new, okay, Coast Guard ships. May nauna ng 2, may susunod na 5, and then another 15, I was told. Teresa Magbanwa came from, the ship, not the hero. Came from Japan. And then meron din tayong French, but mostly made in Japan itong mga to. Okay? So ito ang mga brand new natin na Coast Guard ships. Ayun, no? Okay? Philippine Coast Guard. Ano yan?
Moo!
Okay. Sige, okay. Maraming salamat. Yun na yun. Samahan niyo ako. Okay, mga ka-wedgie. So, Teresa Magbanwa, the newest Coast Guard ship. Tapos na, magdodoning na lang sila. Kami ni Moo! Alam niyo na, sasakay na kami ng kotse. Kasi nandito si Manono eh. Bahala na si Ivan. Shout out, Ivan. At siyempre, ayun o, kaway daw. Okay, good day mga ka-wedgie.